Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some of these balls that we made last week. If you missed that video, I will add that in the description box. You're also going to need pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a few feet of string, a thicker string if you have it, and you're also going to need two of these. These are from a keychain. You could use a key ring or any other kind of thing like this. I think Walmart has some of these in the bead aisle. Oh, and before we get started, I wanted to tell you that you can make so many different things with these. You don't have to make a chain with them. And if you use a smaller bead, then the ball will be smaller, so you could do a necklace. I mean, this would be a pretty crazy necklace if you had them all this size. Be pretty cool, really. Okay, to start, we're gonna tie this on. And I'm using a thicker string because there's some weight to the balls. And you want a strong string. This is an elastic. It's just a little thicker than what I normally use. We're going to put our needle on. And this might be tricky because, you know what, I might have to get a different size needle because that's not going to fit. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got a larger needle for this string. Our pattern, I'm going to start with 2 pink, 2 orange, 2 yellow, 2 green, 2 blue, and 2 purple. And now we're going to take one of the balls that we made, and there's a hole right here, so you'll just go straight across. You might have to look inside. You might have to look inside there to see where the needle is. And then you can just grab your needle and pull it through. And I would like to mention that for this to hold its shape, you really have to pull that string tight when you're making them. We're going to add 2 pink, 2 orange, 2 yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now we're going to go through the middle and then put it through the other side. Now, you can switch this up if you want to bring, you could shorten this pattern and have them closer or further apart. It's really up to you. Go through the middle. This kind of reminds me of those ball pit chains. If anyone knows what those are. Go through the middle. And back in the day, we always wore pants, chains for our pants. So this is kind of like a throwback, which is fun. Our last ball. Oh, and also you can change the shape of these if you push down in the center. See how they change into another shape? And to get it back, you just push the other way. And then it comes back, which is kind of fun to play with. Okay, we have our last set on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up and then pull the string to get it tight. Okay, once that feels well, I guess if you pull it too tight, then you don't want it too tight. I guess I did it too tight. All right. Once you get it to as tight as you want, you're going to take your needle and go through your hook and tie it. I was thinking you could use this as a belt too. A belt, a necklace, or a chain for your pants. Okay, guys. That's what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.